Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add car mode in Bus Simulator Indonesia. To add car modes in Bus Simulator Indonesia, follow me all this step. Tap on mode. Tap on download mode. Download any one car. I want to download this car. Tap on car. Tap on download. Download. Download done. Go back. Go back. Go back. Tap on import. Tap on device gallery and select the picture. Tap on to garage. Tap on use. By doing this process, you can easily to add car modes in Bus Simulator Indonesia. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to leave like, comment.